Hey there! Today, I'm breaking down bonds in finance and economics, making it super simple for you. So, what exactly is a bond? Think of a bond as a loan. When a company or government needs money, they issue bonds. By buying these bonds, you're essentially lending them that money. Here's how it works. You, the investor, purchase a bond, and in return, the issuer agrees to pay you back the principal amount on a specific date, called the maturity date. Plus, you'll receive periodic interest payments, known as coupon payments. Now, why would anyone invest in bonds? Bonds are generally considered safer investments compared to stocks. They provide a steady income through those interest payments and are less volatile. But it's not all risk-free. There's something called credit risk. This is the risk that the issuer might default on their payments. Ratings agencies like Moody's and Standard & Poor's rate bonds to help investors gauge this risk. And then there's interest rate risk. Bond prices and interest rates have an inverse relationship. When interest rates rise, bond prices fall, and vice versa. To sum it up, bonds are a key part of the financial landscape, offering a balance of risk and return. They're a great way for governments and companies to raise funds and for investors to earn steady income. Got any questions or want me to explain another financial term? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance insights. Thanks for watching. What's E2?